Can I burn incense around my cat? If you're a cat owner who loves the soothing aroma of incense, you might be wondering if it's safe to burn it around your feline friend. Let's dive into the details to find out. Incense can be quite harmful to cats due to their sensitive respiratory systems. When incense burns, it releases smoke and tiny particles that can irritate your cat's lungs, causing coughing, sneezing, and breathing difficulties. This is especially problematic for cats with pre-existing respiratory issues like asthma or chronic bronchitis. The smoke from incense contains chemicals and essential oils that can be toxic to cats. For instance, incense made from essential oils like lavender or eucalyptus, or those containing synthetic fragrances, can release harsh chemicals like formaldehyde or toluene when burned. These chemicals can lead to severe health problems, including respiratory inflammation, sinus infections, and even lung cancer in cats. Another concern is the type of incense you use. Nag Champa incense, for example, is known to contain potential carcinogens and can cause respiratory problems in cats. It's best to avoid burning incense made from these materials altogether. If you still want to use incense, there are some precautions you can take. First, limit the frequency and duration of incense burning to reduce your cat's exposure to the smoke. Choose natural, non-toxic incense made from herbs and resins that do not contain harmful chemicals. Ensure the room is well ventilated by opening windows or using fans to disperse the smoke quickly. Keep the incense burner in a high, secure location away from your cat's reach to prevent accidental burns or ingestion. Monitor your cat closely for any signs of distress, such as coughing, wheezing, or excessive sneezing, and discontinue use immediately if you notice any unusual symptoms. In summary, while it's possible to minimize the risks, it's generally best to avoid burning incense around your cat to keep them safe and healthy. Instead, consider using non-toxic and natural air fresheners or diffusers to maintain a pleasant and safe environment for both you and your feline companion.